Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable customer accounts in Shopify. So customer accounts are normally disabled by default on some Shopify store. You must turn them on manually. So basically here on your admin or Shopify admin, you can go to the bottom left and click on the settings option. Here, you'll find yourself right here. So on this list panel, you'll find this customer account. So make sure to go and click on that. And here you will see basically, so show sign in links as example on the customer accounts. Make sure that you turn that on and make sure that you are on customer accounts and not on this legacy. So if you're on customer accounts, that's good. If you're in legacy, just go and click on customer accounts and make sure that you enable it and it's selected. Here, as you can see at the bottom, you'll be able to manage any authentication needed. As example, you can choose that they can, as example, log in using their Google or Facebook. And other than that, as example, there's the self-serve returns, which will allow customers to request and manage returns. You can enable that as well. There's the store credits. You can enable that as well. And here the URL, which as an example, use this URL anywhere. And you would like customers to access customer account. So you'll be able to click on manage to manage that as well. So as you can see, let me just go and click on it. And here you'll be able to change that domain from here. So yeah, that's basically should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.